Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the onion sauce. This is the basic sauce for all the curry, vegetable and meat. You have this one ready, then easy for you. Near future I will show you how to use this sauce. So we are making, there will be quite a few sauce. So today I am giving you main sauce is the onion base. So for meat we need onions, tomato, fresh tomato. This is a 1.5 kg onion already fine chop, and this is a 1 kg tomato already fine chop. So oil is preheated. This is like a half liter oil. We need lots of oil. We have to put oil is ready now, temperature. Now we have to put some whole spices. This is like a cumin, some cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom and 5 clove, 4 green cardamom and stars, and some jaffle, some bay leaf. So we have to fry this one. So you already brown little bit. We don't have to burn, just little bit fry. Then after that we will put all the onions. So I have to increase the temperature to low to medium. So we have to fry it. So before we fry, so we have to add the salt, because salt, when you put the salt, when you're cooking tomato or onions, it will be cooked fast. So this is like a 1 tablespoon and 1.5 tablespoon salt. So you have to cook until it's little bit brown. You don't have to burn it, little bit golden brown, then it will be more tasty. So when onion will be cooked, then after that we will put the tomato. So it will take at least 15 minutes. So you can cover it, but every 5-6 minutes you have to stir it, because you don't want to touch on the pan. So now onion is now cooking for the last 7 minutes. So on this stage you can see onion is now becoming soft. So now next step, we have to put the tomato. This is like a 1 kg tomato already chopped. So now we'll mix it. Then after that, again same process, we have to cook until the tomato will become soft. It will take tomato a little bit harder. It will take more time than the onion. So it will take like at least 15 minutes more cooking. So you can cover it, it will cook fast, but you have to be careful. After 5 minutes you have to stir it. So I will cover it. So tomato has been cooking for the last 10 minutes. So now it's already soft, and you can see onion is already melted, tomato is already melted, and also little bit brown, become an onion also brown. So now I have to turn off the gas, and I have to cool down leave it for next 10 minutes to cool down. For next step I will see you after 10 minutes. So temperature is almost cooled down. So now I have to grind the onion and tomato sauce. So I have to use the grinder. We'll put little. If it's too thick, then you have to add little bit water. Now you can see this is almost grind. So we have have to grind all the tomato, and after that next step, the final step, so we'll make the gravy. So now final step is we have to mix all the spices. So I already preheated like a 4 tablespoon oil, and now we'll put this is like a basic sauce. We don't have to add too much spices. Like at the restaurant we make like a less spice and less all the spices, because somebody want mild, somebody want like a spicy. Then later when we cook the food, then we'll add the extra spices. So this is basic sauce. So we are not adding too much spices. So this is like a Kashmiri chili powder. We need 2 tablespoons, and you need 2 tablespoons turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons coriander powder and 2 tablespoons cumin powder. Salt I am not adding right now because I already add salt during the when I was boiling the onions, so I don't have to add. So basically we need to add some water. I have to mix all the spices in the water, that way the spice will be not burned. You can put like a half cup of water and mix all the spices. So now this is like a 5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Just a little bit pepper. Now you can put all the spices. We will add little bit water. The water is in the bowl, so you can use it. Now I have to increase the flame to medium high. We have to cook like until it's boiling. Then I will add the crushed tomato. You need to add the crushed tomato because onion gravy I already add some fresh tomato, but still we need crushed tomato. This is like a 1 cup of crushed tomato. So now you can see the oil is coming out top. That means masala is already fried. So now I have to add the 1 cup of crushed tomato. You can use tomato puree also instead of crushed tomato. So I have to cook it at least 5 to 6 minutes tomato crush, because it's already uncooked. Then after that I will add the onion sauce. The crushed tomato and masala, all the spices together, I have been cooking for last 10 minutes. You can see the texture has to be like this. You can see the lots of oil, because this gravy you need lots of oil. It's also for the long term. You can, when you keep it in the freezer or freeze it, it will be save your gravy life longer. So now this stage I have to add, this is like a 1 teaspoon kasturi methi. Little bit crush it and mix it. It will give you also nice flavor. Now time to slow the heat. Now I'll add the onion sauce. And this sauce, you know, when is ready, so you can keep it in the cooler for the next 15-16 days. It will be okay. And after that you can freeze it by portion. Like suppose you are making chicken curry for 2 people, then keep it for 2 person, like a 1 cup of sauce. You can freeze it. This is good for two people food, like you make chicken curry or anything vegetable. So I have to cook like this one. I have to add little bit water, like 1 cup of water. We need to cook another 15 minutes. When you start boiling, then I will stop the gravy, then the gravy will be ready. So onion gravy have been boiling for the last 15 minutes on low medium. So you can see what is the condition of the gravy. So all the oils now came out on top. That means the gravy is ready. So oil always need for the onion gravy. When we keep it in the freezer or freeze, then it will save your gravy for a long time. So if you enjoy my recipe, like my video and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And next video will show you another sauce. So this sauce will help you to make fast food. And thank you for watching Imran Kitchen.